Sir Jim Ratcliffe makes Gareth Southgate his number one choice to replace Erik Ten Hag at Manchester United. Sir Jim Ratcliffe and Sir Dave Brailsford have conversed the opinion of Manchester United legends and are ready to sack Erik Ten Hag and bring in England manager this summer. Sir Jim Ratcliffe is ready to replace Erik Ten Hag with Gareth Southgate after the England manager received the backing of Manchester United club legends. Ratcliffe has been busy shaking up United after his deal for 27.7% of the club was officially signed off last month. The petrochemicals billionaire has already hired Omar Berrada as chief executive and is trying to poach Newcastle sporting director Dan Ashworth for the top job. The Daily Star reports that Ratcliffe has settled on Southgate as the right man to lead United on the pitch. The 71-year-old and INEOS head of sport, Sir Dave Brailsford, has had glowing endorsement from the United legends they have spoken to and are ready to make a bold move this summer. Southgate is currently focused on England's campaign at Euro 2024 in Germany this summer, but his contract expires in December and has resisted committing to a new deal despite the FA's insistence. The 53-year-old is respected by the United players in the England squad and crucially also has a close relationship with Ashworth. The Newcastle Supremo was previously the FA's director of elite development from 2012 to 2019, where he worked closely with Southgate, who stepped up from the under-21s to take the top job in 2016. Ratcliffe is confident he can persuade Southgate to trade the England job for United after the Euros have concluded on July 14th. The FA wants Southgate to sign a new contract, which will keep him in place until after the 2026 World Cup, but he has held off making a decision until after Euro 2024. Southgate has won 57 of his 91 matches in charge of England, leading them to the final of Euro 2020, but has not been involved in club management since being sacked by Middlesbrough in October 2009. Ten Hag eased the immediate pressure on himself with the stunning 4-3 win over Liverpool in the FA Cup on Sunday, but Ratcliffe is not convinced he is the right man to take the team forward. Ratcliffe may be a lifelong United fan, but he has proven himself to be a ruthless decision maker in sport and wants a new manager to oversee the new era under INEOS. Let's engage at the comment section. Do you think it's the right time Manchester United part ways with Erik Ten Hag? And is Gareth Southgate the right choice to take Manchester United back to glory days? Also like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.